So what's up, my people? This is your host with the most, Azat Lona. Welcome to my channel. Let's discuss the episode namhlanje ya Jub Jub that recently dropped. We unfollowed on Showmax. Let's go. Alright, first and foremost, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button and the bell button so my notifications whenever I drop the video. Okay, as we all know, Jub Jub was one of the most controversial entertainers as now, West Africa, right? Shenanigans that go all the way back to 2010. Now, just to take you back, in 2010, Jub Jub was involved in a car accident. Benomngani wakhe uThemba Shabalala be-drag racer emgwaqeni lapho babulala khona ingane eziwu-4 in Soweto. Out of that case, Jub Jub was sentenced to 25 years in prison for murder, and a few years later, I think he was appealed and then also a reduced sentence because the charge yehla from murder yaba a culpable homicide. One was 8 years, and then waphuma in 4 years in parole in 2017. And then kwase sekusuka lapho futhi kwakhona uJub Jub ke impilo yakhe yaqhubeka as normal. Waqashwa on TV and he released a few songs, and then life went on as normal. Up until again wangena controversy when he went to the MacG podcast ekhona lapha ku YouTube, lapho afika khona wakhuluma izinto ezibucayi ngama female celebrities ayakazana nawo, particularly uAmanda Dupont, mase kuba uKelly Khumalo uma umntanakhe. uJub Jub in this interview interviewer uThembekile lo omsakazo weindaba, he actually was shying away from a lot of questions. Like, he spoke about how he has chosen uNkulunkulu and umuntu amadlozi, and how he doesn't feel he owes anybody any explanation. Anything that might have happened in the accident, he has taken care of in the yemndeni. They've had a conversation regarding what had happened. I understand a lot of that. So he feels that people who are still kuleyanto leyakudala, they should just move on. And then mase kuziwa kulezinto zamakhesi lawa ama-rape allegations, because Amanda Dupont came out like guns blazing after that interview ya-MacG ukuthi, you know what, lo mtshida lona ngajula naye for 2 years, and for 2 years ebekade engi-raper. Imagine that. So according to uJub Jub, uthi yena not in a million years has he ever raped anyone. In actual fact, uzowasho ukuthi yena emndenini wakhe owakubo noma ngazasho igama uthi ubani ukhona umuntu osowa-rape, so he knows exactly ukuthi i-rape imenzani umuntu. Yabo, when Amanda Dupont broke out the whole thing of i-rape, many other female celebrities came on board and said uJub Jub nami ungenzile lokho, or one of them futhi kwakulento uMasechaba Ndlovu. Well, isitori saMasechaba Ndlovu was kind of like really shady, but naye wathi-ko washo ukuthi naye she was raped by uJub Jub. And yabona lento kaJub Jub ithanda ukuba inkinga. I think the one thing that I hate the most about him is arrogancy. He feels that he's untouchable. I think that's the one thing I do hate about it. I understand that he feels no remorse. When it comes to his story sakhe uAmanda Dupont being raped for 2 years, it is possible. Here's the thing. You might not know ukuthi umuntu ukusabanga kanani ngoba enawe. You might think mhlawumbe ukuthi uthanda, but they are just driven by fear, and you do not know ukuthi masathuya they walk away from you, what's really going to happen to their lives. Maybe that might have happened with Amanda Dupont. The same thing that might have happened to Lady Zama with uSjava, ngoba naye ngokusho kwakhe uthi wayesaba. Okay, most people, they believe ukuthi Amanda Dupont could not have been raped for 2 years. Guys, anything is possible. I understand that we have not experienced rape, some of us. So angazi bese set up leyo nto leyo. Okay, and then as the title of the show on Showmax is called Unfollowed, uJub Jub uyasho ukuthi cancel culture ayimsabisi. So indaba zama strangers on the internet or black Twitter, cancel culture nani. I mean, they didn't make him, so ngokusho kwakhe they are not even gonna break him. He will only bow down if uNkulunkulu says, I am cancelling you. That is when uJub Jub says, you know what, then at that instant, it was quite a revealing interview. He kept his answers really short and precise. He chose his words carefully. Yabona umuntu interview sengathi uhambe waqala ukukhuluma nabameli, you know. It's unfortunate ukuthi le interview yenzeke before this whole thing yokuthi ebesanda kuboshwa waphuma nge-10,000 rand bail because of attempted murder. It was quite a big case ebekade eboshwe yona this first few months. They also touched on indaba yokuthi wake waxoshwa or wasuspended from umoja lapho kwishow yakhe lena uyajola, and then he was reinstated. They didn't touch on indaba yokuthi he sued umoja lapho for 100 million. I don't know what happened to that suing. The suing case, defamation, nana angazi kwenzakalani lapho, azange azithinte futhi. Bafethu kodwa Jub Jub, he has come through the trenches and he has always come out guns blazing. I love Jida, like he has a tough skin. He has a tough skin. Yeah, but maybe really, maybe it is true that uNkulunkulu naye nabantu bakubo banaye. Yabo. Even though bekade ngafuni ukuthinta isimo sakhe noma wengane yakhe of which ukhele Khumalo, ngoba some of us would really like to know ukuthi does he actually have a relationship nomntwana wakhe, what's the relationship status between himself noma wengane yakhe. I understand the leyo. So the crux of the interview itself touched mostly kwindaba ye-accident nale ndaba yama-rape cases akhe u-Amanda DuPont noma Sechaba Ndlovu. So bafethu, you need to give it a watch. I think the interview is like 40 minutes long. This was the last episode of the show, Unfollowed on Showmax. I think you need to get into it if you are curious of ukuzwa from the horse's mouth, because we have always been reading about headlines about Jub Jub. For me, I think it was the first time ngiqala ngizwa ekhuluma ngazo lezo zinto on camera, because I've never heard him talk about it. Even if it was the shows akho yajola 99 uma abantu bemconfronta, he would just, asho lawo comment 1 or 2 and then that's it. So if you are interested, please watch it, okay? Okay, and then that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button khona nizokwazi ukuthola ama-notifications whenever I drop these videos, guys. Thank you so much for the support and for giving me the time of day to listen to my own review of this episode that I recently watched, okay? Peace.